Komodo dragons are the largest and most fearsome carnivorous reptiles in the world. They are apex predators with sharp, powerful teeth that not only help them take down their prey but also inject venom. This venom makes their bites more dangerous. Komodo dragons can eat almost anything, swallowing their prey whole. But it is not always easy for them to swallow a large meal. In today's video, we'll watch a Komodo dragon face the difficult challenge of trying to swallow a wild boar. See what happens next, and find out if the dragon succeeds. Head to the Komodo Islands in Indonesia, where a giant predator has taken over the land. These powerful lizards can overpower animals much larger than themselves with a single bite. When a Komodo dragon bites its prey, the victim will begin to bleed out and die within days. The dragon's saliva contains a venom that paralyzes the prey's nerves, dilates blood vessels, and prevents clotting. After attacking, the Komodo dragon simply waits for its prey to bleed out until it is immobile and ready to be eaten. Wild boars are the favorite food of Komodo dragons. In this video, a wild boar that was bitten by a Komodo dragon bravely fought back despite being poisoned. Although the wild boar struggled and tried to defend itself with its mouth, it was too weak to escape. In the end, the Komodo dragon won and ate the wild boar. This shows how difficult and frequent the struggle for survival in the wild is. When Komodo dragons catch small prey like wild boars, they don't have to wait long. However, in this video you can see Komodo dragons struggling to swallow a large adult wild boar. Komodo dragons are known to be greedy and always try to eat their prey quickly before other dragons come to steal it. For large prey, they have difficulty swallowing it whole. Sometimes, when multiple Komodo dragons compete for food, they will fight and even tear the prey apart to make it easier to eat. It seems that the Komodo dragon's mouth is too small for the head of the wild boar it is trying to eat. Komodo dragons usually swallow their prey by standing upright, but this time its head was too big. The dragon struggled to swallow the head of the giant wild boar and even started to choke on its food. Despite the difficulty, the Komodo dragon kept trying because it was very hungry and greedy. In the end, it had to try to vomit the boar's head out, but its stubbornness kept it from giving up. Komodo dragons also have a varied diet, hunting a wide variety of animals. Deer are also their favorite prey. Deer are the favorite prey of Komodo dragons because they are easy to hunt and the process of eating them is very simple. This Komodo dragon happened to find a wild boar carcass, which would be a delicious meal without much effort. Komodo dragons are also scavengers. They will not ignore any carcass as long as it fills their hungry stomachs. That is why they can grow large and healthy, even when their fresh food sources are depleted. An unfortunate monkey fell from a tree and got stuck on a fence, becoming easy prey for hungry Komodo dragons. These powerful lizards quickly tear apart their food to satisfy their hunger. Normally, monkeys rarely become meals for Komodo dragons, but sometimes accidents like this make them vulnerable. In this case, the monkey's misfortune made it a meal for the dragon. A little goat desperately tried to escape from the hungry Komodo dragons. Unfortunately, it failed and soon became a meal for these large lizards. Meanwhile, a Komodo came to fight for food. The two Komodos fought and chased each other fiercely. After a while, the Komodo initially won. It enjoyed the winner's delicious prey. In the video, Komodo dragons often forage along the shore to find dead bodies. It found sharks and enjoyed this delicious food. In another video, a Komodo dragon found an octopus washed up on the shore. It slowly ate the octopus, which was delicious food for them, making the shore an ideal hunting ground. The Komodo dragon is in trouble because food is stuck in its throat. This happened because the dragon was too greedy and ate too much. Now, it is trying to vomit to push the food out, showing that sometimes being too greedy can lead to pain for itself.